Hi everyone, get ready with me using two Lunar Beauty palettes. So first I'm going to go in with the shade Earthbender, and that's just going to be to kind of map out where I want the darkest shade to be. I then get a brush with nothing on it and I start blending that out. I do start adding some of my transition shades, which are the shades Summer Sky and Sandstorm. And then I go ahead and start building each shade until I like the final result. I then go in with concealer and start cutting my crease. I know this part looks intimidating, but it's really simple. You just have to go really slowly. This is sped up for you guys. Once that is on, I go in with my shade Dusk and the Nakia Joy translucent powder, and I just pat that on all over the concealer. Go in with the shade Summer Sky and start blending that out. And just to blend in that depth, bring in a little bit more of Earthbender. I then move on to the waterline after I have my full face on with the shades Pink Flash and Skyline. I just smoke that out until I like it, and that is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. The face makeup will be coming soon, and they include some of my favorites, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one.